Yo, YouTube, what is going on, man? Look at this. Oh, okay, he's popping a wheelie. What's going on, man? I haven't picked the camera up in a minute. I posted a video, what, 4 days ago? But it feels like I haven't picked the camera up in a month, bro. Anyways, what's it called, man? If y'all do like POV drives, consider subscribing. You know, that's what I do, man. I post POV drives, and that's what you like, man. This is the channel for you. Just got out of work. Got me some Chick-fil-A for lunch. I'm debating on going to the muffler shop, see how much they charge me to do my lower downpipes. I do got lower downpipes. I got 3-inch lower downpipes. You know, kind of just knock it out the way. But at the same time, I'm kind of debating on doing it myself because it's like what? I think it's like 2 bolts. I think it's 4 bolts on each side, and you just put the sensor on, bada bing, bada boom, and it's out. But I heard it's kind of difficult reaching the. I don't know, bro. Honestly, I gotta do more research. If I really want to do it myself, I gotta do more research on it and see if I really want to do it myself or just send it to a shop to get it done. Damn, it's cold. But my camera died, man. Recording off the iPhone. Phone's cracked, bro. Let me see if I could give y'all like a little view of how my phone looks. Bro, my phone's cooked. I need a new phone. My girlfriend be telling me, man, you gotta stop buying car parts. Buy a new phone. It's just they will never understand. But my phone still works. I'm chilling. Damn, bro, I was about to turn, but this car cut me off. I'm about to cut him off now. It's like playing musical chairs. Like I was saying, man, like what I have envisioned for my vehicle, it's like I kind of want like a murdered out look with like hints of chrome. I don't want to do completely black. I want to be like, let me see, let me close this. Damn, but the iPhone quality is not that bad. Yeah, but like I was saying, man, I was thinking of like, I want like a black and chrome look. I was debating on chrome rims. I don't know yet. Y'all let me know. See, the chrome rims are moving now, but yeah, I'm basically just a lower blacked out look with chrome hints. I wanna, when I installed the heat exchanger, my man, he said he could basically make it look like where it's like poking through. Bro, it looks fire, bro. I'm gonna see if I can post a picture on the video so y'all can like really see what the look I'm trying to go for. Like, bro, it's gonna look sick, bro. Just y'all gotta trust the process. Do. Bro, my phone, my camera overheated, bro. What a shame. Let me put this camera to shame, bro. Don't get this, bro. Womp womp. Oh, shoot. It sucks. The GoPro is cool and all. It just overheats mad quick. I don't even think the battery dead. It just got hot. That's the thing that sucks about the GoPros. I was debating on like getting some meta glasses. Or what's the other one? Basically the glasses with the cameras on it. I was debating on getting those just cause one, I'm gonna have that big block on my head. And I could literally walk around day to day like casual. It looks like I have glasses on, but in reality I'm recording. And me, I'm not an extrovert, I'm not an introvert, but I don't know what I am, bro. I don't talk a lot, and in crowds, like, I don't really apply myself like I probably should, and I feel like the glasses could really, how do I say this without making me look like a weirdo? Like, I don't look dumb just walking around with a big camera on my head, you feel me? I wouldn't mind walking around with it like in my hand, you know, for me, like, man, you know, walking around like with a tripod, I wouldn't mind that, but like walking around with it on my head, I feel like I just look goofy. I don't know, bro, that's just me. It's probably a fear I gotta break. I gotta break that fear. I need to get some new tires too. Some little maintenance things. Honestly, like, the main reason why I wanted to get out of my old car, I liked my old car, but the reason why I wanted to get out of it is because there wasn't much aftermarket support, and it would break down occasionally, and it wasn't really like I said, it's not aftermarket support, so there's really nothing for me to like, I guess, improve. I mean, of course, you want, you know, you want to be specific. You be like, oh, you could like, you could build the diff if you want. You could change the rims. No, bro. I want to slam my car and hear turbo sounds. I couldn't do that with my last. I couldn't do that with my past vehicle. So, in my head, I'm like, why am I spending money fixing a vehicle, fixing maintenance on a vehicle, when I could spend like, you know, a little bit more. It's gonna be a little bit more monthly, but you know, I don't mind. And actually put cool upgrades and cool mods onto the vehicle. You feel me? And it's not gonna break down as much. Basically, I just saw like, instead of spending money on maintenance, I'd rather spend money on the payment and like to upgrade the mods, if like to get the actual car feeling, get the actual car experience I've been wanting, you know? Because, you know, I've been wanting to hear turbo sounds, and the Q50 happens to be a vehicle, like one of my dream vehicles. Like, you see the Mercedes? Yeah, man, the Q50 is just one of those, you know, dream vehicles, and it hurt, like, it's gonna hurt me now. It don't really hurt me now because I just got the vehicle not too long ago. But when it does come time, you know, when I sell this vehicle, it's gonna hurt. But you know, you gotta only upgrade, get better, you know, onto better things. I plan on getting like maybe a Super after or something. I don't know, right? $30 to $40. Right? I'm tripping. You hear me? I'm cracking. $30,000 to $40,000, you know, price range. That's the type of vehicle I'm looking for. A Supra, 340. I was considering the Alfa Romeo. What's it called? Giulia or whatever. There's some other cool cars. BMW Z4. I was debating. I'm not an SUV guy, but the X3M is low-key kind of cool, and I heard it kind of move too. M240s. Bro, if y'all see the picture I'm going in, bro, probably a BMW. That's probably what I'm going next. It's like the only real upgrade after like this, in my opinion. I don't know what other vehicle I could really see myself going into. But later on, like when I do, what's the word? I guess you could say when I've reached the point where I want to be at in life, I'll probably buy another Q50, but I'll probably buy a 3.7. They just last longer, man. But if you by that time, if you can find one that's low miles, man, by that time, bro, we got Q50s already pushing like maybe 220,000 miles, 250,000, bro. I've seen it, bro. You gotta go on those Q50 forums. You'll see people who be pushing that Q50 3.7, and they be going. They're really reliable. So yeah, man. If I was to do it again, 3.7 for sure. But I'm probably gonna end the video here just so it's not too long. I know people's attention span is mine's at least. I don't have the biggest attention span. I watch a video for like 2 minutes and then hop off. But that's just how I am. Bro, that's not healthy. I know that's not healthy. I gotta fix that. Anyway, bro, if y'all did enjoy the video, what type of Mercedes is that? It's kind of clean. Bro, y'all let me know. iPhone quality, bro. Is the iPhone better than the GoPro? I might start recording with the iPhone. I feel like I can actually see what I'm recording. Let me see, I can flip it sideways too. I can actually see what I'm recording, bro. Y'all wanna look like y'all driving a vehicle? It's like a video game. Anyways, man, if y'all did like the video, subscribe. Like the video, man. You know, show me some love. No Diddy. Yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I hope y'all did enjoy the POV drive. Wingstop, I could go for some more food, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, man, I'm gonna stop talking. I'll see y'all next time. If any of y'all got like a 2018 Q50 or up, man, I don't know if the older ones got it. Man, let me know how I can turn that sensor off so I can actually be moving, bro. I can't be moving because the car, when you get too close, it'll sense the vehicle like right there, like on the corner of you. It'll sense it and it'll like lock your pedal up, so you can't speed up or nothing. It'll like lock you. You'll basically you'll end up going slower. It's honestly, bro, it's dangerous, bro. That's why I don't really be going crazy like that. But if y'all do know how to do it, man, if y'all want to see some videos like that, y'all let me know how I can turn that off, because I can't really be going crazy like that, because I got that safety feature. Honestly though, it's cool to have, but I like to have more control of my vehicle, bro. If I want to swerve out the way, because a car, you know, you never know what can happen. It could be a safety thing. To them, it's like a safety feature, but for people who like, this car braking, if I gotta swerve out the way, there's a car right there, it's gonna lock my brakes up. Like, I can't, like, it's gonna lock my pedal up. I can't get out the way. You just have more control of your vehicle, basically. That's it, man. I do gotta get in that lane though, because this lane is getting mad traffic. We're about Stone Mountain right now. Bro, I feel like each video I feel like my recent videos, bro, I feel like I've been boring. Like, I don't feel like my videos are entertaining to watch anymore. Like, I don't know, man. I feel like my content's, I feel like I myself is drying up. I honestly just be tired after work, man. But I'm waiting for the jacks at Harbor Freight to go on sale. Not jack stands. I'm in need of some jack stands, man. Waiting for those to go on sale. Oh, blah 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 blah. Tired. But I ate lunch, man, and I took a fat nap. We be getting like 30-minute lunches, but we get 30-minute lunches with 15 minutes, 2 15-minute breaks. So really, we just take like we just do it all at once. We just take like a whole hour lunch, all at once. Blah 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 blah. Ah, damn, bro, this camera making my forehead sweat. Lone Star, popular loner. Talking about Lone Star. But my brakes been like, when I brake, bro, it shakes. I think I need to get some new rotors. I think my rotors might be warped just a tad bit. It's not too crazy. But my old car, man, you brake, literally the whole steering wheel shake. It was bad. I got rid of it though. I miss it though, not gonna lie, man. You'll always have a special place for that first vehicle of yours in your heart. Even if it was like a Toyota Camry, bro. Like the one, bro, I didn't even know. The car in front of me is a Toyota Camry. Even if it's a Toyota Camry, bro, you're gonna always have a special place for your first vehicle. Not saying Toyota Camrys suck. I mean, they're cool cars. They're nice cars. Bro, what's this traffic in this middle lane? What they got going on here, bro? Person fell asleep or what? Damn, bro. You meant, bro. One person wanted to get into that lane and they hold up the whole traffic, bro. Don't move to Atlanta, bro. Get out of Atlanta, actually. Bro, the people who drive here are maniacs, bro. They have like no brain. Honestly, I'm on next. I'm on next. What's it called? But I'm gonna put on my resume, know how to cut up, bro. Cause at this point, bro, if I'm late, you know, they'd be like, "Oh yeah, man, you always on time. How you do it?" You ain't check my resume, man. I know how to cut up. Cause at this point, bro, living in Atlanta, you need to know how to cut up. Cause these people do not know how to drive. Bro, it's more like a self-defense. They need to teach how to cut up in self-defense classes. Cause, man, these people in Atlanta, crazy. Is that an A5? Those are cool. I like A5s, S5s, all these in general. Bro, I have a cramp. Oh, damn, that hurts actually. But my arm, I don't know what I did. I don't know if I slept on it. Gotta exercise, stretch it out. Damn, bro, I'm only 20, bro. I feel like I'm 30. I'm getting old. Damn, bro, my body hurting already. How much longer I gotta do this? Bro, this is why I want my YouTube to pop off, bro. Bro, my body already hurting, bro. I'm not even complaining, bro. I'm not like, I would go to work every day, body hurting or not. Like, I still go to work. I'm not being a little girl. I'm not being, you feel me? I'll do it. It's just, I'm speaking up about it. Like, I'm saying it out loud, man. I'm tired. Like, there's nothing wrong with being like overwhelmed, tired. Like, it don't make you less of a man, bro. It's normal. You're human. You're a human being. Hate when guys try doing that, trying to make someone feel less of a man, but it just makes you look childish. Trying to devalue a person, trying to devalue a man. You're not a man, bro. You're a child. You're a child with just grown people experience. That's all it is. Damn, bro, that truck behind me is coming in hot. I need to get out the way. Like I was saying earlier though, like for example, if I wanna like, you know, if I wanna squeeze into there, say a car's coming up behind me quick, right? Like the car behind us coming up kinda hot, you know? But like say we had a dead stop and a car's coming in quick. If I wanna move out the way, I'm not gonna be able to move because the pedal gonna lock up. Because it senses the car too close, it senses the car too close to me on the side. Again, car manufacturers, they see it as like a safety feature, but you're not gonna really have full control of the vehicle. Right, you guys hear that? That's my strut. I need to get new struts. Or I could just buy coilovers. I was kind of hoping like it was my strut because I've been having weird noises on my suspension, and I've been doing self-diagnosing, and I had my man like that works on my car, you know. I had bro check it out, and he said, yeah, man, it's your strut. I was like, say less, man. My strut, I'm just gonna get a whole new coilover, you feel me? So it's lowered. So yeah, that's honestly the next thing I'm gonna do to my vehicle. Put it on coilovers. Like, let me envision it for y'all. Like, I want my car lowered. Why the car has a flashing light?